Welcome to the future of urban commuting, the 2025 Orbea Diem. This state-of-the-art electric bike blends innovation, style, and performance to redefine your city rides. Designed for urban explorers and daily commuters, the Diem is the perfect solution for those seeking an eco-friendly, efficient, and stylish way to navigate the city streets. The 2025 Orbea Diem boasts a sleek and minimalistic design. Its aluminum alloy frame is both lightweight and robust, ensuring durability without compromising agility. The clean lines and internal cable routing create a streamlined look, while the matte and gloss color options cater to every rider's style preferences. Frame material: hydroformed aluminum. Weight: approximately 17 kg. Color options: black carbon, urban blue, and metallic gray. The step-through design makes mounting and dismounting effortless, making it ideal for riders of all ages and skill levels. At the heart of the Orbea Diem lies its cutting-edge electric drive system. Powered by the Bosch Performance Line motor, this bike ensures a smooth and silent ride with plenty of power for steep inclines and long commutes. Motor: Bosch Performance Line, 65 Nm torque. Battery: Bosch Power Tube 500 Wh integrated. Range: up to 80 miles on Eco mode. Eco, Tour, Sport, and Turbo. The seamless integration of the motor and battery within the frame not only enhances the aesthetics but also improves the bike's weight distribution, ensuring optimal balance and control. The Orbea Diem is packed with innovative features to enhance your riding experience. Display: Bosch Kiox 300, a vibrant, full-color display with Bluetooth connectivity for ride data, navigation, and fitness tracking. Lighting: integrated front and rear LED lights powered by the battery, ensuring visibility and safety. Drivetrain: Shimano Dior 10-speed, offering precise shifting for varied terrains. Brakes: hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power in all weather conditions. A standout feature is the belt drive system, which replaces the traditional chain. This low-maintenance, grease-free setup is perfect for city riders, ensuring a quiet and smooth operation. The 2025 Orbea Diem is designed with rider comfort in mind. The ergonomic saddle and adjustable handlebar provide a tailored riding position, while the wide, puncture-resistant tires ensure a smooth ride on uneven city streets. Schwalbe Marathon Plus 700x40C. Rigid fork for efficiency on paved roads. Perfect for carrying groceries, backpacks, or panniers. Full length to keep you clean and dry. Sturdy and adjustable for easy parking. Orbea is committed to sustainability. The Diem is built in their eco-friendly factory, and the brand offers a lifetime warranty on the frame, showcasing their dedication to quality and the environment. The 2025 Orbea Diem is priced at £3,199, reflecting its premium features and performance. It is available at select Orbea retailers and online, with customizable options through Orbea's MYO program. The Orbea Diem 2025 is more than just an electric bike, it's a statement of innovation, sustainability, and urban practicality. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the city, the Diem ensures every ride is efficient, comfortable, and enjoyable. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest bikes. Ride smarter, ride the Orbea Diem.